Hello, welcome to Jules Gems. Look at my earrings. I have different color combinations. Look for some more. Check out my website. I will put it in the link as well. My website, you can follow me at facebook.com/Jules Gems. It is JEWELSGEMS 100 /. So you can like me. You can also find my Wix website on there as well on my Facebook. That will be in the link below. Jules Gems, that's JEWELSGEMS 100.WIXSITE.com / my site. That does begin with, the link begins with HTTPS, the ://. So check me out. I wear these everywhere I go. Well, different earrings. I'm going to the gym. I even wear it there. So far I passed out about almost 300 business cards. So I'm putting it out there in the universe. Self-employment is what it is. Welcome to Jules Gems. Adorn yourself. Be you. Be unique.